Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check your mouse DPI in your Windows 10 or 11. First of all, let me tell you what is DPI. DPI, which stands for dots per inch, is the measure of a mouse's sensitivity, determining how far the cursor moves on the screen or for each inch the mouse moves. It's like that. And let me show you how to check it. Just follow the steps. They are pretty easy and you can check your mouse's DPI quick and easy. So let's get into the video. Go to your search bar and search for mouse settings. Click on it. It will take you there, and here you can see under related settings you can find the option additional mouse options. Click on it and a box like this will come, and you have to go to the pointer options, and here mark the checkbox unchecked in the enhance pointer position and click on apply. Then click on cancel. Now go to your Chrome browser, search for DPI analyzer. Here click on it. Here in this website you can check your mouse's DPI. To check it, you just have to make some changes. Unit will be in centimeters, and otherwise the other settings are the same. And the target distance will be for us, it will be 5. And now you have to just hover on it, click on your mouse and swipe right. And as you can see, your actual DPI is 293.62 and actual counts are 578, and thus you can check your mouse's DPI. If this video helped you out, the like button and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next video.